Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to create direction aka route on Google Maps. So first of all, move along to the App Store or Google Play. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just tab right here, tab right here Google Maps to download the Google Maps or update the Google Maps to the latest version so you can have actual access to your another two new features on Google Maps. So as you can see right here, this is like the place that I'm in right now, right? This is the area. Now if I wanted to create a direction from my place to another place, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click, then cancel this one, and I'm gonna just click the location. Let's have an example. I want to go to the last location right here, right? And this is the location, the restaurant, right? If I wanted to create a direction, that we just close this one, I'm gonna just click the blue button. This is another option. Click the blue button right here and select from your location to another location. This is a quick way to actually calculate from your calculate the kilometers or how long will it takes to get there. So I'm gonna just choose, let's say for example, this location, right? And this is how far from my location to another location, and accounting for traffic or bus stops or whatever, you're gonna be able to see how long approximately you're gonna get there, right? And the yellow or the orange signs, that means that there's a little bit traffic on that area, right? So this is like the location to actually to know when you're gonna get there, right? And basically if you want to see the steps right here to know where to go, just go ahead and see it, right? And basically you're gonna be able to witness or see how long will it get you to get there. If you click the three dots at the top right, you're gonna be able to see the multiple options right here, to set a reminder, depart or arrive time or whatever. You're gonna just you're gonna be able to do that and pull this off. So basically the same goes for another location. If you want to add another location, let's say for example this location, right? And if I wanted to add another location, just like this one, right? And if I wanted to add another layer of location, right? Let's say for example I want to click the three dots and I'm gonna just add a stop right here, and I'm gonna add right here, let's say for example restaurant or a gas station or whatever, and I'm gonna be able to add it right here. Let's say for example this location, right? I'm gonna add it as a stop. So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.